Is it too late to plant garlic and onions in September for winter? Well, the answer is no. Welcome to Gardening with Ben. We're going to talk about planting your garlic and your onions this month, ready for winter and for harvesting next year. So yeah, this month we need to start concentrating on looking around, ready for planting our garlic and getting our onions. The best places to get your garlic and your onions are usually from a garden centre or from a DIY store. They often sell them in little bags with the sets of onions, and also you usually get about 3 garlics in a bag or 2, and then you plant them. Don't do what I thought in my first year, and when I got the garlic I thought, what, you only get 2 garlics to plant? Nope, you split them up into the cloves and then you plant the cloves individually. Now the best time to plant your garlic is usually around October time to get it in the ground. The reason why we plant it then is because it needs the cold weather to help it split and to help to form the garlic bulb itself. So what you need to be doing this month in September is preparing your beds ready for planting them. When I say preparing them, it means obviously you've grown stuff in the beds throughout the summer period, and it will have taken a lot of the nutrition away from the ground. So you need to enhance the nutrition in the ground, either by adding compost, adding fertilizer, adding food into the ground to help give some nutrition back to growing the plants again. So get them all dug over, get it all weeded, get it all looking fresh, ready for planting out at the end of September, beginning of October. Now we're going to be planting ours pretty soon, but we need to get our beds ready and get them all sorted and tidied. We're going to be revamping our allotment this month and getting it all looking a lot better, because it's looking a bit derelict at the moment after the summer that we've had. But yeah, we're going to be freshening it up, getting it all prepared and getting it ready for growing the garlic. Now obviously when you're buying the onions, you need to look for the autumn sets, which they probably won't sell the normal sets at this time of year in the garden centres. They'll probably only sell the autumn sets. So you can either grow the sets, or if you're looking at growing them from seed, you usually start the seed off around December time if you're wanting to grow them from seed. So have a look around, see what you want to decide. I once did a little experiment to see which ones grew better from seed or from set. The seed actually did better themselves, but I find it a bit too much hassle keeping them watered, and obviously it's a lot colder around that time of year, so sometimes it's hard getting water because they turn our water off on site. So I tend to grow the sets myself and get them in the ground. But when you're getting them in the ground, obviously your onions and your garlics, make sure you net them, because the birds do love to pull the shoots up from the bulb themselves. So protect them with some netting until they're strong enough, and then you can always take the netting off before the snow comes, etc., because the snow will just weigh the netting down. So yeah, that is how we usually prepare for growing our garlic and our onions. I hope you found this useful. Make sure you drop us a follow to stay up to date with all our videos, and feel free to share it. Until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining and keep gardening with Ben everyone.